Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth in Boxes. Today we're going to check out my first Eyescream Beauty subscription bag. If you are not familiar with Eyescream Beauty, they are a budget-friendly beauty subscription. You can either get a bag or a box. I got the bag, which is $12.50 per month. It will include 3 to 5 items each month, and it will be mostly makeup, but can also include some skincare items as well. So I'm excited to see what's in my very first Eyescream Beauty bag. Let's check and see what's inside. Oh, nice. It has a little card. It says Eyescream Beauty Bag, and it said it is for the May bag. I subscribed in May. I know we're in June, so I will probably get another one later this month. So this is going to be the May bag, and it has 3 items, and it has the values on the card as well as what's included. So I'm excited. So our first item I'm going to show you is, this is from Gerard Cosmetics. And this is a Color Your Smile gloss. So this is a gloss, and this is going to have a $24 value. And the color, interested to see what color that comes out as. It looks like a very deep purple color. And it is a very deep purple color. Wow, that is a very purple gloss. I don't know if I ever am going to need a purple gloss, but now I have one. Next one is from Time Balm, and this is a primer. This is going to be a $30 value primer, and it is very cute. It says Flawless Face. So this is just going to be a basic primer, probably got a seal on it. I'm going to leave it on there till I'm going to use it. But we have this primer, and it says this is a $30 value for the primer. So far we have a $54 value for our $12.50 bag, so that's pretty good. The last item in our bag is an Illuminati palette, and this is the Sparkle and Shine. It says this is a 12 universal face palette, perfect for every day or night. So let's check and see what our colors are. I'm excited. Oops. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at those gorgeous colors. And you can easily see how this could transition from day to night. It has some mattes in there, but a lot of sparkles. And it has your pink colors, some iridescent colors, a little bit of orange. You've got your darker colors. So this is a really great transitional throughout the day palette. What we have, it looks like, is we have 3 glitter colors. We have matte, is this one, and these 4. This last row is, which is technically the top row, this last row is shimmers. So gorgeous palette. I'm super happy with that palette. This is a $22 palette. So every item in our bag is valued at more than what the bag costs. So this is a great budget box. You never know when you're going to need a purple lip gloss. This is the one if you need it. So that was our Eyescream Beauty bag. I'm excited to try it out for the price. It's a great one. I recommend it for jumping into some makeup with a budget. It's going to give you some good products. Today we got a palette, a primer, and a lip gloss for $12.50. Excellent value for this bag. I'm enjoying it. So let me know what you think. Did you get these same products in your bag? Did you get something different? If you have used the purple gloss, let me know how you wear it. It sounds like something that would be fun to try out. So that was our Eyescream Beauty bag for May. Be looking for the box for June here in the next few weeks. I'll get that up as soon as I get it in the mail. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads, and be watching for the June ice cream bag here in the next week or so. When I get that in, I'll get it up as soon as I can. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth in Boxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.